All right, here's just a video of me trying to figure out how to use the trace tool. I know it won't work because they're not connected for whatever reason. I know when I like right click here, I don't really have a lot of choices of things I can do. But if I right click on like this guy, it does say, join overlapping points, extend to pattern outline. All that's kind of good, I think. So I don't know. If I hold shift and I do, okay, what else can I do that to? That's it. It's only those two that let me do that. That's weird. So I'm just gonna maybe join them, join the overlapping points. I guess is good. And then right click. I guess I will say, maybe just one of them. Ooh, now my options went away. So I'm gonna say Command Z. I don't want to do that. Okay. Right click. Oh no. Okay, Command Z, Command Z. What's going on here, people? Command Z. Okay. Those options went away. Okay. Right click. It's back. Okay. Extend trim to pattern outline. Sure. Okay. I don't know. Is that helpful? Let's see if we can do the tracing tool now. Options on this guy. No, I don't know. Okay. Try it again. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, it's working. It let me do it. Yay. I guess it has to extend to the pattern outline somehow. Very weird. So, which one? That was our back side. So I'm gonna come over here, bring it here. Okay. Why don't I try this? Let's see. What are you? If I take you, oh sure, shape. Should I try to extend you to pattern outline? Right. So something is there. You are the pattern outline. So let's see if that worked because I offset it. So something's touching the pattern outline. Maybe that's good. Okay. And then what's going on here? Okay. So trace tool, click, hold shift, click. And then you guys, I don't know if you want to check this out, but I'm tracing this thing. I'm not tracing the M line. Okay, holding shift. Right click, traces pattern. Click. Ooh, let me do it. Okay, so I guess we have to extend it to the pattern outline. So that's nice. This was a successful video. It worked. So, okay. So I don't really need this, but hey, you can always save it in case you want to refer back to it. Now I think the only thing I need to do is go back and get my, what do you call it? Darts. Can you put those back? I don't need this guideline, so I'm going to get rid of it. I don't really need that baseline either, but whatever. So I'm going to click here, add dart. I remember the front was supposed to be 0.5 because I did it so many freaking times, and then it was supposed to be 3.5 long. And then same here. Add dart. We're going to say 0.5, 3.5. Cool. Oh, not cool. Right click, add dart. 0.5, 3.5. Yeah, it's better. Okay. I just need to add them to the back. Okay, so back it's 5.5. Right click, add dart. It's only 1 inch. Change the length to 5.5. Okay. Okay. Cool. Let's move these guys over here. Oh, I don't need this. It's definitely don't need it. Okay. Okay. Now, my only concern is that I can't really sew this guy, the skirt to the waist, because I know they're different lengths and measurements. So that's unfortunate. That needs to be trued up. So I'm wondering if I should try fitting the skirt first and figuring it out. But right now, when I hold shift, what is this? Right, you're like 5.49. So that's 7.3, and this is way more. It's like a whole inch bigger, and you don't ease the waistline. So this needs to be an inch smaller. Maybe if I make the darts bigger, that will do it. You know, I'm not sure, or if I could bring in the side seam in more. This isn't that curved. Maybe that'll do something. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's see about this guy. This is about 4 inches. Let's select them all. He says about 7.25. Wow, he's like 2 inches bigger. So this is way too small. Fascinating. Okay, so I guess I could do a fit. Let's just say unfold. Oh, it was symmetrical sewing. Okay. And full symmetrical sewing. Okay, so it definitely needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and I'll make a new one for me trying to fit it, and we'll see where that takes us, if that helps us true up the waistline or not.